In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a form to your funnel in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place an existing form inside a funnel page so you can start collecting leads right where your visitors are taking action. First, head to your GoHighLevel dashboard and open the Sites area. You'll find it in the main navigation on the left. This is where all of your websites and funnels live, and it's the starting point anytime you want to make changes to your pages. Next, choose the funnel you want to work on. Click into the funnel that already exists in your account. If you have multiple funnels, pick the one that matches your campaign or offer. Inside the funnel, select the specific step or page where you want the form to appear. Most people add it to an opt-in or checkout step, but you can place it wherever it supports your goal. Now click Edit on that funnel step to open the page builder. This takes you into the visual editor where you can add, move, and style elements on the page. Give the editor a moment to load so all of your elements and settings are available. Once the builder is open, find the form block in the Elements panel. Click and drag the form block onto your page and drop it where you want the form to live. You'll see a placement guide as you hover between sections and columns. If you're unsure about spacing, drop the form and you can fine-tune its position afterward. Think about visual flow here. Place the form high enough to be seen quickly, but with a headline or brief value statement above it for context. After the form block is on the page, click the block to open its settings. This is where you connect it to a specific form you've already created. The settings panel will appear on the side so you can adjust what the block displays and how it behaves. From the settings, select the existing form you want to use. You'll see a drop-down of your saved forms. Pick the one that matches your funnel's purpose. Once selected, the preview on the page updates to show the exact fields and layout. If the form doesn't appear as expected, double-check that it's saved and published in your forms library, and that the fields and submission settings are configured there. In the builder, you can also adjust alignment, width, margins, and padding so the form looks great on desktop and mobile. That's it. You've added your form to the funnel page and connected it to an existing form, keeping your lead capture simple, consistent, and ready for traffic.